what's up guys, my name is Adam, drummer for Fatal Point. I've been playing drums on and off for a number of years now. Recently picked it back up here again about 2.5, 3 years ago. My first impression is Collision Drumsticks, phenomenal. I'm playing the 5B reaches. The extra reach from my normal drumsticks, as you can see, isn't by much, but that 1 inch makes a huge difference with my playing. I tend to have my cymbals set a little farther out, so having that extra little bit just to get me right on the meat of that stick there when I'm hitting my cymbals, great. Definitely recommend them to anybody who's looking at possibly changing sticks, whether you use, Vic Firth, Vader, or whatever sticks you're using now. I highly recommend going and picking up a set of these, trying them out. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and their website, Collision Drumsticks. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and play one of our original songs here. Hope you guys enjoy it. It is still a work in progress. Our band's still fairly new. As you can see our set list there, we've only got, let me turn the camera around. We've only got a handful of songs, so we only got 4 songs written right now. But we're going to be playing our first show here this Friday, so pretty excited for that. Yeah, super happy to have these Collision Drumsticks. Awesome company. I definitely recommend them to anybody who's looking to get some new sticks and wanting to change up your game a little bit. This is where it's at. I've had these sticks now for a couple months, maybe 2 months now, and as you can see, a few little dents. I'm a pretty heavy hitter too. A few little dents, that's it. These ones, I'll break a pair of these every week, every 2 weeks at most. So again, look forward to working with these guys some more. Yeah, so without further ado, here it is.
Thank you so much. We have one more song. It's called Sin Eater. It's grabbing a safe and I'm not a brand knows they profess to live. Scrolling to a trace and they announce won't feel my life and I am tough. Forgiveness, I know from a proud children. Don't have enough importance. Run on with your blame. I want you to bring your fucking head! Thank you so much. We are at Tommy. I think Auditory Anguish is next.